This is how to withdraw crypto on Ndax. Once you guys have Ndax opened up, in the bottom left beside trade, I want you to select the wallet icon. Once you're here where it says add funds in the bright green color, beside that on the right there's a circle with 3 dots. Select that and then select the option that says withdraw, send crypto or cash to another user. We'll just select that option. So because we want to withdraw crypto, we can then scroll down to where it says crypto assets. You can also search up an asset if you want, but it's going to show you how much of the assets you own and how much dollars that is worth. So in my case, I don't have anything, but let's say hypothetically you had Bitcoin. You can then press Bitcoin and it'll bring it to the next screen. You can then select a network, so you can select the network you're sending the wallet support. So there's the Bitcoin network, there's the Binance Smart Chain BEP20, or there's Bitcoin Lightning. So select whatever one's applicable to you, but for this demonstration, I would just select the Bitcoin network. Once it's selected right here, you can go ahead and type in the amount of Bitcoin. You can also type in the Bitcoin wallet address that you're going to be sending it to. You can then choose Express this way, and then it'll show you the fees as well as the available balance. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and press confirm to withdraw cryptocurrency that way. So that is how you guys can withdraw crypto here on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.